Hallo, wij zijn live. We are live, I think.
Yeah, we're live.
Could you send me the link so I can see it through WhatsApp? It's a bit different today, everybody, if we're live. Yes, 7 people watching. Okay, awesome.
Where's the link?
I just found it in my videos. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining. We are live. It's a bit stressful today because we have the lovely Munir. I don't know if Wids can turn the camera so we can see Munir.
He can.
And we have lovely Munir joining us from The Hague, and he is lovely. And filling in for João because João is here. João is not here. I mean, João was in Portugal. João, not just.
João's here and here.
Exactly, and also in Portugal.
And also
So,
Portugal.
Thank you everybody for joining. My sister's sending me a message with a typo saying yes, love. So thank you, love, back. Yeah, no, massive thanks to Munir. Massive thanks to all of you guys for joining. It's a bit of a chill day today. So if you guys have any requests or you want us to mess around or you want us to do anything, just let us know. Wids is here as well, joining us. We've got some nice songs. Hi Lynn, lovely to have you.
Do you see the stand? The stand.
Oh,
Yeah.
Volgens mij, maybe not.
Which stand?
Volgens mij is het daar. En moeten ze weer in elkaar.
Ja, maar dat kan ik.
Yeah. Hi, everybody.
yeah.
Hi, Joel. Hi, Max. Lovely for you to join us. Thank you.
Cool.
And Lynn, lovely. What are you on tonight? Drinking tonight, Lynn. And Lynn, do you have any other songs? Talk to me, Benjamin. Joao, what's up? I'm talking to you. Joao. Oh, well, he'll get. Joao is having fun in the chat. Guys, remember, put lots of comments in the chat. You guys all know everything by now. People who haven't already supported us on Petje Af, go underneath and click on that and give it a
Updoet.
and yeah, give it an upvote.
+1.
Give it a like. A large pink gin and tonic. Oh, Lynn, where do you get all these recipes?
Lynn
from?
knows how to live.
She does, doesn't she? Hida says you know how to live, Lynn, and I am absolutely agreeing with that. So we're gonna start with straight away some very. Oh, that's a point. We should wait until Anna is there. Oh, Simon and Garfunkel. Shall we do Bridge Over Troubled Water?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do that in a minute. Guys, let us know if the sound is alright. Joao is in the chat, so he has Munir's number, but if anything's happening, let us know, and that's also for Munir. We'll be monitoring the chat as well. And I love you so. People ask me how I've lived till now. I tell them I don't know. I guess they understand how lonely life has been. Life began again the day you took me out. And yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows love is dead. That is my and yeah.
Stream is a little,
That's okay.
that's my fault.
And I love you so. People ask me how I've lived till now. I tell them I don't I don't let the evening bring me down now that you're around. And I love you so. People ask me how I've lived till now. I tell them I don't. Moi je ne t'ai rien et voilà qu'aujourd'hui je suis la gardienne de sommeil de ces nuits, je l'aime à mourir. Vous pouvez détruire tout ce qu'il vous plaira, même quand vivre l'espace se serra pour tout reconstruire, je l'aime à mourir. Elle a gommé les chiffres de l'âge du quartier. Elle a fait de ma vie de cocotte en papier des éclateries. Elle a bâti les ponts entre nous et le ciel, et nous les traversons à chaque fois qu'elle ne veut pas dormir, je l'aime à mourir. Elle a dû faire toute la guerre pour être si forte et aujourd'hui elle a dû faire toute la guerre de la vie. Elle vit de son mieux son rêve d'Opaline. Elle danse au milieu des forêts qu'elle si je l'aime à mourir. Et à portée de Rouen qu'elle laisse soleil, elle me chante souvent que j'ai tort d'enseigner de les retenir, je l'aime à mourir. Elle a dû faire toute la guerre pour être si forte et aujourd'hui elle a dû faire toute la guerre de la vie. Y yo que hasta ayer solo fui un holgazán y hoy soy el guardián de sus sueños de amor, la quiero a morir. Pueden destrozar todo aquello que ven, porque viene un soplo lo vuelve a criar como si nada, le quiero a morir. Él para las horas de cada reloj y me ayuda a pintar transparente el dolor con su sonrisa. Y levanto una torre desde el cielo hasta aquí. Me cose unas alas y me ayuda a subir a toda prisa. A toda prisa le quiero morir. Conoce bien cada guerra, cada herida, cada ser. Conoce bien cada guerra de la vida y del amor también. Conoce bien cada de la YouTube. Thank you.
Ja.
That's very cool.
Stream's a little,
Yeah, the internet's dodgy, right?
yeah, very dodgy. Like, a lot of frame drops, so
Ja.
quality is a little.
Ja, vervelend. Nou ja, nou, daar kunnen we weinig aan doen hoor. Het is ook traditie dat om rond 9:05 of 9:05 het internet ermee ophoudt. Waarom? Dat weet niemand.
Oh ja.
Issuing forth.
Dude, the internet is really bad.
At least the sound is good.
Ja. Natalie King Cole. Ah, ja, oké, ja. Love, it will be forever, or I'll never fall in love. In a restless world like this is, love is ended before it's begun, and too many like kisses seem to cool in the warmth of the sun. When I give my heart, it will be completely, or I'll never give my heart. And the moment that I feel like you feel that way too, When I fall, it will be forever. I'll never fall in love. In a restless world like this is, love is ended before it's begun. And too many moonlit kisses seem to cool in the warmth of the sun. When I give my heart, it will be completely. Oh, I'll never give my all. But the moment I can feel that, you feel that way too. Is when I fall in love with you.
Ook als de nacht zich meldt, liever dan schijn je zelfs meer. En morgen als ik wakker word, dan zeg ik het weer. Dat jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Neem mij een beetje van jouw licht, haal mij uit de schaduw. Ik zou willen vliegen, maar draagt te veel gewicht. Kleed mij je vleugels. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je wakker wordt, mooi wanneer je slaapt. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Jij bent mooi wanneer je stil bent, mooi wanneer je praat. Jij bent mooi, mooi, mooi. Je bent mooi als je van me houdt, zelfs mooi als je me haat. Maar dat doe je nooit. Vote tonight. The first time I met you, my darling, your face was as fair as the rose. But now that your dear face has grown paler, as pale as the lily white rose, I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose, so fair as she grows. It
It's the rose that reminds me of
You're fair as spring, oh my darling. Your face shines so bright, so divine. The fairest of blooms in my garden. Oh, my white rose, you want more. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose so fair as she grows. It's a rose that reminds me of you. Years pass by so quickly, my darling. Each makes you more precious to me. But long may we grow close together. Only white rose cling to me. I love the white rose in its splendor. I love the white rose in its bloom. I love the white rose so fair as she grows. It's the rose that reminds me Oh, that was very fun. Oh, it's been a while already.
Every time Benjamin modulates unexpectedly, you have to take a sip of your G&T. That's the game.
That is absolutely the game. Hi, Dodie. Super leuk dat je er bent.
Dude.
What else is there? I think Joel's in rehearsal, but otherwise,
With Essence Voices.
exactly. Yeah, they have a concert tomorrow. Joel's choir has a concert tomorrow,
that's
which we're
nice.
very excited
They should
about.
live stream it.
They should live stream it.
Hmm.
Anyway, guys, remember any things wanting to? Hola, Pedro.
Pedrinho, carairinho.
I'm on blood orange gin with lemonade. Oh, I am so jealous
Oh.
of all of these drinks. What is going on?
Yeah. Meneer is having a beer.
Yeah, Meneer's having a beer.
Rhymes.
That would be
Good
for
for
you,
prep.
so
Oh. Ik
En-
mag
en-
niet drinken.
I have wine, but you know.
Dus 2 for him. Oh, you brought wine?
No, yeah, probably.
Okay.
Oh, now let's
Meneer
crack
can
that.
come back for sure.
Hey, she hasn't written anything today.
Mam, ben je er? Laat even van je horen alsjeblieft.
Laat even horen!
Ja.
Springen!
Alle Elma's, laat van je horen! Alle Elma's in de comments zeggen yo!
Oh.
Alle mama's.
Oh, dat vond ik superleuk.
Mooi.
Ik heb een hele helikopter. Ik heb een hele Okay, people who aren't Dutch, you have to check out carnaval muziek.
Ja.
We'll put a link.
Ik heb een zachte G, maar ook een harde L. Meneer gets the joke.
Ja, dus dan ga jij een laag terts.
You're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will try out my... Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe.
I really hope you guys are enjoying this.
Babes.
Really hope you guys are enjoying this as much as we are, because I am really having fun this evening.
One
Yo,
glass.
bro, 15 people.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It wasn't
This-
recording the whole time.
Oh my god. I was
Oh.
recording the whole time.
Ah, Trisha, love you if you're watching. Do you want to tell the story?
No, we already told the story in
No, but
like,
that was the recorded one.
like maybe concert number 15 or something.
No, that was the one we recorded.
Ah,
So nobody's heard the concert. Nobody heard us sing it.
okay.
So we quite often say, "Oh my lord, I wasn't recording the whole time."
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my
Okay,
god.
was that?
Yeah.
So we have an amazing, lovely friend called Trisha, who you guys have seen because she sang on the postcards video, and she sang those two amazing Butterworth songs.
Butterworth.
Wasn't it? Butterworth, bruv. Hey.
Hi. Hi, mom.
And Trisha,
Is ook zo typisch, hè? Hi. Nog net geen punt erachter. Hi. Leuk dat je kijkt.
yeah,
Ja. Anyway, the story. The tale
and so
of the Trish.
Trisha was, I mean, she occasionally puts videos up on Facebook where she's singing, and it's beautiful and it's amazing. But this one time, she just said, I can't remember exactly what it was, but the post was like, well, this didn't go to plan. And then it was just a video that was like 3 seconds long. And it was just her clicking.
Yeah, looking into the camera like, I'm on video, so...
Exactly, very
either-
sexy and, you know, very typical Trish.
Hmm.
And then she goes, oh my god, I wasn't recording the whole time. And that was the whole video.
Yeah.
And then there was this amazing Facebook post that she did the next day when she was like, okay, you bastards, that video got like 500 likes and all of my other music videos got like 10 likes, so y'all better go through and like all of my other videos.
Oh my god.
I wasn't recording the whole
Oh
time.
my god. I wasn't recording the whole time. Oh my god. Me being shocked. What girl?
Niks. Jij eerst couplet, samen. Ik tweede couplet, samen. Tussen. Is het altijd samen?
Okay.
Oh.
Wat? Oh. Mashup. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I'll dry them all.
when you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part. Oh, when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water, I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. Sail on, silver girl, sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine. Oh, if you I'm sailing right behind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind. Deep my home is over I want to cross over into deep river. I want to cross over Jordan, deep river, Lord. I want to cross over into Capernaum. Oh, don't you want to go to that gospel face, that loveless land when all is deep?
Isn't it rich? Are we up there? We're at last on the ground. You live midair, sending the clouds. Isn't it bliss? Don't you approve? One who keeps staring around, one who can't move. Where are the clouds? Sending the clouds. Just when it stopped, opening doors, finally knowing the one that I wanted was yours. Making my entrance again with my usual flair, sure of my lines, no one is there. Don't you love us? I thought I fear. I thought that you'd want what I want. Sorry, my dear. But where are the clouds? There ought to be clouds. Quick, send in the clouds. What a surprise! Could foresee I'd come to feel about you what you felt about me. Why, only now when I see that you've drifted away. What a surprise! What a cliché! Isn't noche.
Beon bonne banks and beon bonne breeze, while the sun shines bright on Ochlan, Armini and Matrulo, whatever want to be. May the bonne, bonne band of Loch We'll talk the hide on and I'll talk the road. I'll be in Scotland afar, for me and my true love will never meet again. May the bonne, bonne band of Loch
I mind when we parted on yon shady glen, on the steep, steep side of an Lomond, when in Parpar the Highland hills knew, and the moon shining on.
The wee bird may sing
And the wild flowers swing,
and in snow shine the waters asleep. The crocodile can't lay second spring again, and the one does not die Scotland, the fire, but me and the true love will never meet again. Come the bonny, bonny banks of Lomond, we'll take the Highland, we'll take the Laura, and I am in Scotland afire, but me and my true love will never meet again. On the bonny, bonny banks of Loch One semitone lower would have been a very nice ending for that.
Very nice.
Trouble over Bridgewater. Fantastic.
Thanks, chaps.
Well, we are already at Nessie.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Hey, Sarah. Sorry, you're not Dutch. Hi, Sarah.
Sarah Ruston. Hallo, Sarah.
Sarah Ruston. Munir also appreciated that behind the scenes. We got a thumbs up from our sound man. That was very nice.
Reconnecting.
Did you see that meme? There was this
We like it.
surprising major. Having so much fun. And when I get that lonesome feeling that I'm miles away from home, I hear the voice of the mystic mountains calling me back home. Take me back to the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love. Take me back to the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I love. Lost my heart in the black hills of Dakota, where the pines are so high that they kiss the sky above. And when I get that lonesome feeling that I'm miles away from home, I hear the voice of the mystic mountain calling me back home. Take me back to the black hills of Dakota, to the beautiful Indian country that I That was very fun. I really love that song. That was a song I learned this week from Doris Day. I was listening to her album and she was singing this and I was just like, it's like really like... Take me back to the cold, like really blendy and smoothie and the black hills of Dakota. Really, no, really, so soulful. Anyway, sorry about the internet tonight.
You know what Doris Day is called in the Netherlands?
On the Netherlands?
In the Netherlands.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I said.
Doris Dag.
Doris Day.
Verschrikkelijk.
You know what she's called in German? Julian.
Doris Tag.
Doris Tag. Doris Jour.
Did you appreciate how I automatically mutated the D to a D?
Doris
T.
Tag.
Doris Tag.
Ah. Dari. Yeah.
Dorivia.
Dari here.
And in Cornish?
Doris tha.
Oh, spin it round. Da means good.
Oh, okay. Wait. Doris Dith? Yes.
I love that.
Whoa.
That's how you know he's your best friend, when he speaks your minority language.
Dith?
Doris Div.
When he knows 2 words. Oh, a couple more.
Yeah. What's I love you? Do you remember that? What do you remember?
Pimp is 5. Pes Colbert has 10. That's what you say when you cheers. I love you. Don't remember right now. What is it?
Meathcar.
Yathkar. Muraz. That's thanks.
My mum's gonna be so happy.
Say Miathkar.
My mum's gonna. Oh, Meathcar.
Muraz Benjamin.
That's so awkward.
Muraz. Oh! Muraz. We should write a Cornish play.
Dude, we have. This
oh
is.
my god, now it's really happening. Already got out of hand. Oh no, oh no.
We have a the Cornish poet laureate wrote a opera for 3 men.
Arthur.
No,
That's the guy that writes your text, right?
he's he's an artist, Alan Arthurs.
Ah,
He does all the
Alan
painting,
Arthurs.
and then
Alan
Tim
Arthurs.
Saunders.
Yeah.
Yeah, who did the Anyway, he wrote a opera for 3 men. Well, he wrote this opera text, which I was going to write. So that's something that I want to do for one of our concerts next time. That me, you, and Joao do a mini opera with
that's
Ivan
fun.
playing piano,
Oh, that's super fun.
and all in Cornish.
Okay.
Maybe we could get some financing for it.
For
That
sure.
would be really cool.
25 euros. Cash. Don't tell the government.
The state of Cornish culture.
Yeah.
So nice.
We have 6 euros and 25 cents for you,
It's such a...
including that.
And the €5 transfer fee.
Yeah.
No, that's excluding the €5 transfer
Yeah.
fee from my bank.
So you can do this, but you have to pay us. Per the name.
Should we do yellow? In parallel seconds.
Okay.
I like how that was all convinced you.
I don't know. La 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 la. I need a drink. Still working. João Rival. Ah ja, mag ik een biertje klapper? Lekker. Dat wine ook niet. Oh, ik vind het voor een biertje. Lekker koud. Nog zo leuk. Was a good sip, right?
So sexual.
Cool.
Really?
proud of you.
I'll have to check with him. Yeah. Leave a comment if you're proud of me. Leave a comment if you love me.
Yeah, leaves it, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Elma has left the chat.
Do you want to do the melody and I do the seconds?
Or do you not know that one?
Doe jij? Ja. Zing het een keer en dan doe ik het een keertje en dan ben ik even.
Want jullie één slok en dan ineens echt van bier.
Ja,
Als
is
je
het
het
zo,
zeg
hè?
maar. Ja, dan
Oké, sorry.
Nee, het is goed hè. Oké.
Het is echt. Het is deel van de experience.
Oh, happy pedaling.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you. And all the things you do, and it was called yellow. So then I took my heart to. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turned into something beautiful. You know I love you so. You know I love you so.
I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know, for you I'd bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. And everything you do, yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you. And all the and it was all yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done, and it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and gold, turning to something beautiful. You know I love you so. You know I love you so. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. Yeah, they were all yellow.
Surprisingly good.
Yeah, okay. It works with E.
Yeah.
It's a real, like, trying to think of the chords and then singing, like, deliberately parallel seconds. Well, it's going really quickly. Guys, y'all be very silent. So
What's the time?
it's 33.
Ah, okay.
You'll be very quiet, so write something in the comments. Go and give us all your money on Pitch Off. Make sure you subscribe. If there's anybody
Puli.
watching, Puli. Did I say Puli or money?
No, you said money.
Oh, sorry guys.
Do you mean?
Do you mean bully? You mean bully?
Do we have
Oh
a-
my god. Do you mean bully?
My family gives me
Bully. Bully. Please give me all your bully.
Today we were watching. Today we were watching. Face it.
Face it, bitch. Face it, bitch.
Today we were watching animal videos. So do you guys remember that Hida went rock climbing with a Filipino friend of ours, and when he was locked, your team exactly, and instead of F's, Tagalog people say P generally, and so Hida was rock climbing. Yod got stuck, and he goes "fuck," and you can remember what that means. Anyway, we were watching videos today, and it was cute little animal videos. And then there was a thing with foxes. It was a bit weird because I was like, I didn't think you're allowed to have fox as pets. And he said the same. Yo goes, I didn't know you could have pet foxes.
Pet box.
Pet box. And that was just very, very cute. 16 people watching. Hello, everybody who's new and joining.
Adorbs.
Make sure you...
Well, I thought we had 62,000 views.
Yo, dat
Wow.
zou echt te gek zijn.
Yo.
Hotshot! So, just on the... I'm having a lot of fun here. Anyway, João speaks Dutch very well. And occasionally Portuguese sounds like Russian. So João has a little bit of a Portuguese accent when he speaks Dutch. And so this one time, it sounded like Russian while he was speaking Dutch. Laten we gaan. But like,
Laten we gaan.
weird like Flemish. Like, so it sort of sounds a little bit Flemish as well. And Hida is very good at doing accents, like mixed accents. So people will be like Argentinian French, and Hida
Oui.
will do like perfect things. And this one time I was like, yeah, João was like Dutch, no, what was it? Russian Flemish.
Russian Flemish.
And so I carried on biking, and Hida just sort of got quiet for a minute or two.
Yeah.
And then suddenly
just sort of shouted right into my ear. I don't think you mean to shout it,
No.
but you were just biking and suddenly turned around and like directly into my ear was like, "Ta yak!" So now whenever anybody says te gek,
Resonating
I-
all over the place.
I think of Wids trying to do Joao's.
Yeah. Well,
It's
in
not
my
even
defense,
Joao's.
I did not know that that it was about Joao. I did not know. I promise. But it
Because
didn't
Joao
matter.
got a bit sad and was like, I don't speak like that.
I don't talk like that.
Anyway,
And we don't. I mean, do you think that he was being serious about it? Like
No,
it was
he
a
was
joke,
not.
but it was a bit serious, maybe.
maybe a little bit.
I don't talk like that, guys.
Anyway, ta yak.
Speaking of sad eyes.
Speaking of sad eyes.
Speaking of sadness.
This is one of the very first requests. No, not even requests. This was one of the very first dedications we did for the lovely Munir, who is our soundman tonight. So as he was here, I thought this would be a nice one to sing for Munir. Same as always, you first verse, first chorus.
Yeah. Okay. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all. The darkness inside you can make you feel so small. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow.
Show me a smile then. Don't be discouraged, come remember when I last saw you laughing. If this one makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, call me up, 'cause you know I'll be there. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rainbow. If this one makes you crazy and you're taking all your canal, call me up, because you'll not be there. And I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True on the hour and the sun begins to fade. Still enough time to figure out how to chase my blues away. After the ride up till now, it's a light of day that shows me how. When the night falls, my lonely heart goes, and it says, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat of somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Je sais.
Been wrong, I lost my senses, spinning through the dark. Sooner or later the fever until I wanna feeling down. And I need a man who'll take a chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. So when the night calls, my lonely heart calls. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel my heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel my heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Misschien de Jamaicans zingen de chorus.
En el invierno escribo canciones que me hacen reír. Son las historias que me hacen raíz en las ideas que hay dentro de mí. Y yo busco de nuevo que me haga sentirme muy bien. Y da igual lo que digan, da igual si no entienden por qué no nos podrán romper. Es tu voz la que me empuja a seguir. Es tu voz la que me llama a mí. Y yo sé que aquí estaré si me quieres en tu mundo. vida es lo que me hace sentir. Si con mis temas lleno tu alma y te hago ser parte de mí y comparto algo nuevo que nos toca aquí en mí. Y da igual lo que digan, da igual si no cuentas si es para conectar otra vez. Es tu voz la que me empuja a seguir, es tu voz la que me ama a mí. Y yo sé que aquí estaré si me quieres en tu mundo. Y comparto algo nuevo que nos toca a ti y a mí. Y da igual lo que digan, da igual lo que me cuentes si es para conectar otra vez. Es tu voz la que me empuja a seguir, es tu voz la que me llama a mí. Y yo sé que aquí estaré si me quieres en tu mundo.
This one.
Cuántas veces no salvo el pudor y mis ganas de siempre buscar pedacito de amor delirante colgado de tu cuello un sábado de lluvia a las 5 de la tarde. Y sabe Dios cómo me cuesta dejarte y te miro mientras duermes, mas no voy a despertarte. Es que hoy se me agotó la esperanza, porque con lo que nos queda de nosotros ya no alcanza. Y eres lo que más he querido en la vida, lo que más he querido. Eres lo que más he querido en la vida, lo que más he querido. Cuántas veces quise hacerlo bien y pequé por hablar demasiado, no saber dónde, cómo ni cuándo. Todos esos años caminando juntos ahora ya no parecen tanto. Sabe Dios todo el amor que juramos, pero hoy nada es lo mismo. Ya no vamos a engañarnos que soy un hombre en el mundo que hizo todo lo que pudo. No te olvides ni un segundo. Quieres lo que más he querido en la vida, lo que más he querido. Eres lo que más he querido en la vida, lo que más. Eres lo que más he querido. assim será melhor, meu bem. Ora, trato que eu te dei, se ainda tens, não sei, mas se tiver, devolva a mim. Rasga as minhas cartas, sim, não me procure mais. Assim será melhor, meu bem. Retrato que eu te dei, se ainda tens, não sei, mas se tiver, devolva-me. Deixa-me sozinho, porque assim eu viverei em paz. Quero que sejas bem feliz junto do seu novo rapaz. Retrato que eu te dei, se ainda tens, não sei, mas se tiver, brother, can you spare me food and give me a drink of wine? I've been traveling on this road for such a long, long time. I have seen the wonders, the most amazing of them all. I believe I've seen the face of the risen Lord. On a night like this, there came a stranger on the road. I heard him stumble, heard him fall, and I helped him with his load. The further that we Brother, can you spare me food? Give me a drink of wine. I've been traveling on this road for such a long, long time. I have seen the wonders, the most amazing of them all. I believe I've seen the face of the risen Lord.
Zo. That one doesn't exist anymore. Crusade. Crusader. Ah, I know this one.
Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where never is hard a discouraging word, and the skies are not cloudy all day. I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Just like the night or the morning, after the darkness has gone, the shadow of my love is falling on a place where the sun always shone. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? But I don't want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I don't want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with you. Nostrum. Don't you know that's where our hearts both belong? I want to say goodbye. Let the stars shine through. I want to say goodbye. All I wanna do is live with along the way, where the deer and the antelope play, whenever is a discouraging and the skies are not cloudy all There we go, that's the end of the concert for today. That went very, very quickly in my mind. Do we have any more comments? Yes, we did. Pia, hello. Oh, Shakira, I feel like you're still in the mood for it. I did do a Shakira one. Well, I haven't seen these in ages. Okay, Pedro, hola.
Hola, Pedrinho.
Yellow, very nice, thank you. You guys are still there. I just got all these comments now. Yellow in seconds was great, says Pia.
Thanks,
It,
Pia.
it sounded very nice.
She sent me a message as well saying cheers.
Fantastic.
Pia is the best.
Oh. Beth, which one hadn't you heard before?
Are you having a bad day? No, you're not. You are.
Continue.
Continue. You are. Pia knows.
Pia's like the essence of that woman as well. Are you having a bad day?
Continue.
No. Continue. But then with a Slovenian accent.
Ooh.
Yeah.
No. I'm not busting that one out just yet.
Give it a week and then.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, it was so lovely for you guys to join us. Make sure you look down. Make sure you guys, you can say it with me. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you guys for being so active in the chat. It was really nice. Although there was some internet things I didn't quite see it. Thank you, who joined us. Lynn, Beth, Dodie, if you're still there, Elma, Dineo, Max, Calamity Jane is my favorite musical, loved it. Oh, I didn't see that message, Max. Oh, that's so nice. That's the that's from Calamity Jane.
Oh.
Pedro, Judy, Pia, and
Pia's laughing out loud now.
I don't know what it was called. Think it was the same one Mum liked.
Is that what she
Beautiful.
just said?
Yeah, Pia just said that right now.
Oh.
Cute.
I wonder why she's laughing out loud.
En,
But I'm happy. I know. Oh, now I remember.
ja,
Hey,
ik wou zeggen, god,
continue.
continue.
Jeff.
Anna, if you didn't see it right at the beginning, this beautiful guy sung La Vie en Rose. So we will do the set list tomorrow and you can check it out again. Thank you everybody for joining. Make sure you've given the video a like. Make sure that you send it to everybody you know, like literally everyone. And the donations, guys. I hate asking this for every week, but we have taken a significant dip in donations. So if any of you can sign up to the Petje Af, if it's in Dutch, use Google Translate. Honestly, it's fine. Beth did this with translating, and it worked out fine. So we would really appreciate that. Thank you to Wadzinho. He's a good lad, as my dad would say, and he has. Anyway. Thank you to Munir behind the cameras. Thank you to Joao, who helped us with everything. Also, he helped Munir set this up. Thank you especially to you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being such a loyal public. It's really lovely. And what's very exciting is our videos are getting way more views now. Last week, 2 weeks ago, we had about 670 views on the video. Last week, we've had about 350. So it's gone back up to sort of beginning of Corona time amounts. So that's really great. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for sharing it with me. Remember, any requests, let me know for next week. Sign up to Petje Af. That's the last time I'm going to say it today. If you guys need any help doing it, or you want, you just want us to check the Dutch, that's fine. You can get in touch with me, Joao, or with Zinho, and we can help walk you through it. So don't let that put you off, if that was what was putting you off. Anyway. I don't think we're going to leave it on today because it's a bit more tricky with breaking everything down. But have a lovely week. Thank you also, obviously, to Arya and Rein de Jan for letting us use the muziekkamer. And that was it today. Thank you guys for all of your support because it means all of our equipment is now our own. So thank you a lot. Obrigado, hvala.
Obrigado pelo dinheiro.
Obrigado pela música.
Kvala for the money.
Kvala for the money. Stay safe, don't get corona, and see you guys next week, Friday, 8 till 10 Dutch time. Ciao. Oh, you have to click finish.
Beëindig deze. Wil je dit bewaren?
Ja.
We're offline.
Awesome.
Oh, ik wil hem niet bewaren.